back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of coin collecting, and specifically, we'll be exploring the value of the Austria 1 Schilling coin in good condition. So if you're a coin enthusiast or just curious about the worth of this particular piece, you're in the right place. First off, let's take a closer look at this beautiful coin. The Austria 1 Schilling coin was minted from 1947 to 2001 and features a stunning design showcasing various symbols of Austrian heritage, including the national coat of arms and other cultural motifs. Now, when it comes to determining the value of any coin, condition is key. A coin in good condition will generally fetch a higher price compared to one that's heavily worn or damaged. So what can you expect the value of an Austria 1 Schilling coin to be in good condition? Let's find out using online resources like coin valuation websites or marketplaces. We can get a rough estimate of its value in dollars. Keep in mind that these values can fluctuate based on factors like market demand and the overall condition. According to recent data, an Austria 1 Schilling coin in good condition can range in value from around $178 USD. Of course, this is just an average, and certain factors like rarity or historical significance can drive the price higher. So whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, the Austria 1 Schilling coin is definitely a piece worth considering. Its beautiful design and historical significance make it a fascinating addition to any collection. And that wraps up our exploration of the value of the Austria 1 Schilling coin in good condition. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and happy collecting.